Yes, Ms. Davis, this is Tommy Page from Davis Heating and Air. I had on my schedule for you to have a yearly tune-up on your Briggs Stratton. I was going to make sure it was a good time to come by. I check the oil before we start any process of the tune-up, because more or less make sure there have no oil leaks that I can't see, and make sure that the system's good enough for me to crank up and start the tune-up. All right, while draining the oil, basically when everything's said and done, we'll change the oil filter out. Just crank it off, take it off, replace it with a new oil filter. That way when this is done, place it back up here, fill it back up with the estimated required oil that comes with the kit, and tidy everything back up, and then move on to the spark plugs. You got two spark plugs, one in the front, one in the back. You got two heads and two cylinders. So I'll take the cap off. With the removal of the spark plugs, I lay both of them to the side and take a picture. That way we can see exactly what's going on with your cylinders, if it's burning oil, if it's had a long run or anything to that level. Removal of the air filter, and it shows that it has not been run for a long time in good condition, but with the tune-up we do change them out anyway, even if they don't need it. That's what consists of a yearly tune-up for your generator that we do at Davis, and this generator is good for another year.